Hello YouTubers and welcome to the Deals Prime Review channel. Today we're doing a live Antutu benchmark test for the Amoi A826W phone. And this is a 4.5 inch IPS screen with 960 by 540 pixel resolution. And it's a quad core, 1.2 GHz MSM8225Q CPU phone. And it has 3G WCDMA, quad band GSM, supports GPS, and has 1 GB DDR3 RAM. And 4 GB ROM. The front camera should be 0.3 megapixels, and the rear should be 5 megapixels. While this is running, make sure to like our video. Also, subscribe to the Deals Prime Review channel. And we'll just see if the Antutu benchmark stats or results match our descriptions. And there is a link to this Amoi phone inside of our YouTube video description, so you can click on that. You may have to expand the description and then click on that. And our description says it's running Android 4.1, and actually says it's GSM 900 and 1800, 3G WCDMA 2100 MHz, so it's not quad band. It's only 900 and 1800. So that looks like it's mainly for European on that front. 3G WCDMA 2100 MHz, that should support inside, be supported inside the States or North America. Now let's check out the results. So it gets a nice score of 11,400. There it is in big bold letters. And it's running Android 4.1.2, has a 1.2 GHz quad core CPU, 1 GB DDR3 RAM, and an Adreno TM203 GPU. Let's talk about device info. So it's an A862w. So it looks like our uploader actually got the 62 and 26 mixed around, so we'll have to update that as well. 960 by 540 pixel resolution screen, 5 megapixel camera on the back. Doesn't look like it read the ROM, but we can check that out in a second. So it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon CPU, MSM8225Q. 260 dpi on the screen, 0.3 megapixel camera on the front, and this was last updated on September 18th, and the rest is as described. So again, it gets a score of 11,400, and looks like we'll just continue with this review. We'll actually go to Deals Prime. We'll buffer it, and then we'll go there in a second. So we'll buffer it, and so let's actually check out what comes with the phone, and then show you the build. We'll show you the build and then what comes with the phone. So this has a nice rubbery back, and it's nice and sturdy. The phone build. And this, see, it's pretty thin. The bottom here we have a mic hole, and on the back is the 5 megapixel camera, flash, it says Amoi, and the speaker. And this case can pop open, and on the back is the 5 megapixel camera, flash, it says Amoi, and the speaker. And this case can pop open, and we can see here that it has 2 card slots. So this is full size WCDMA/GSM slot, and this is GSM slot only. Then here we have a micro SD card slot. So we'll probably pop this case back on. And let's check out what comes with the phone before we forget. Box is kind of there we go. Didn't want to open for us, but perseverance. So looks like it comes with a USB cable, and this plugs into the wall charger, which is 5V 1000 milliamp. And if you're in the UK, Europe, or Australia, it'll come with your country's power plug adapter free, only from Deals Prime. And it'll also come with a free YouTube promo gift, which is a screen protector. And this is a nice $5 value. So in order to get this, make sure to ask us to please include the free YouTube promo gift. And you can do that inside the order notes section during checkout. And to see checkout, the order notes section during checkout, you just need to log in to register on dealsprime.com, and then basically log in and check out through the website instead of clicking PayPal Express. Okay, so that's that. We show you the accessories, the gift, and now let's get back to the phone. And we'll just show you some pre-installed apps. Actually, let's go back to Deals Prime and go to the browser. Just do a search for Amoi. Oh. Maybe zoom out. Oh, you should be able to do it. Amoi, and then A862. Actually, we have it wrong on our site. So 826W. So by the time you see this review, the listing should be updated. Then 3 for English. And here it is, 4.5-inch IPS screen phone, 960 by 540 pixel resolution screen. And we'll just let that maybe buffer up a little bit. I'll just go into some web browsing, and then we go into check out the settings and the pre-installed apps. Okay, so you can see it loaded really fast there. Has a nice wide viewing angle. You can see the G sensor at work there. It's a nice vivid screen. And we can just go to a couple other sites. So again, it's a 1.2 gigahertz CPU, and you can go back to the listing here. And for some reason our site is not loading this. Not loading this. Okay, there we go. So here are some of the accessories you can actually bundle the phone with. You can see the capacitive multi-screen in action there. We do have online chat right now, so if you have any questions, you can actually ask the online chat. So the dual cameras, 0.3 on the front, 5 on the back, and here are the frequencies I mentioned during the Antutu benchmark test. Dual SIM, dual standby, and A826W, Android 4.1 operating system. So it supports only English. 2000 mAh battery. Here are the dimensions. Okay. So and here are the accessories. Remember, you can get a free YouTube promo gift if you ask us to please include one in the order notes section during checkout. And now let's just check out the user interface and the pre-installed apps, and then we'll conclude this review. So here we're going to see it has camera settings. We'll probably just snap a picture of the box here. Okay, so it's nice and clear. And you can hear the speaker on the back is really loud as well. And this is like a Baidu thing, which you don't really want. So okay, let's check out the icons. So we just now ran the Antutu test, and this app search, this is Chinese, so you can actually delete these by dragging these into the trash. Camera, custom, well, that's probably another Chinese app. Email, file manager, FM radio, gallery, ebook reader, messaging. So this is a standard Android 4.1 Jelly Bean messaging. Music. You can see that there are there's 3 touch buttons at the bottom of the phone, which I'm actually using in the review. Portable hotspot phone. So there is no card installed, but you can clearly hear the speaker on that. Video player, sound recorder, stopwatch. Okay, so there's no videos either. So let's go back into settings, and just want to remind you guys to like our video. Also subscribe to the Deals Prime review channel. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, dual SIM settings, storage, battery, apps, language. So this only supports English. About phone. So A862w, and there's the firmware info. And we'll go back and check the apps. So on the running apps, you can see here it has RAM. It's 265 megabytes used and 578 megabytes free. And we'll just scroll through all the apps. Bluetooth. Now there is a link to this phone inside of our YouTube video description, so you can click on that, or you can just go to dealsprime.com and do a search for the A862 or A826W phone. Both of them should probably be uploaded by the time that you see this review. And here it is, A862W, Amoi A862W, and thanks for watching.